Robin's Nitty-Gritty photo trail with do-it-yourself SOS, 15th to the 20th of November 2022. Yes, my old car. Robin's Corner, where GPS was tested from the late 80s onward. Lovely bit of garden sculpture from June as a birthday present to Robin. Yeah, this is the standard introduction, but I might as well give it to those people who haven't seen it. Our camper that was used to transport Snoopy down at the end of August for his attempt on the Atlantic. Battle damage. June said Robin did it. Robin said the wall did it, but the wall is okay. This is Snoopy's robot boat, intended to cross the Atlantic, but he only managed practically 2 months at sea, and we found out what the problem was. It was a silly mistake Robin had made in the construction. But yes, warning signs everywhere. Watch out for cameras, and read the small print where it talks about water squirters. The women are out shopping for wedding stuff, as it turns out, and so Robin has got away with using the lounge as a bit of a workshop. This is the bit of plywood that's going to be the worktop in my workshop in the garden, and I better point that out. If there's anything related to long-term planning in this household, it's that we've got to at least start clearing junk. And of course a lot of the junk is not just hobby stuff used for repairs and all the rest of it. That's where Samantha works from home. A lot of it has got value in terms of old memories. For example, that was from my trip to Cairo. A lot of it is more important in terms of family stuff. So I'm going to do a quick lightning tour as the introduction to a very long photo trail taken over whatever it was, 5 days or something. And I suppose I better point out, for those who haven't used some of the simple facilities in YouTube, that's my videos, the most recent first, and the thing to remember is that you can look at the content of a video just with the time bar, very simply. Obviously depends on whether you're using a touch screen or a mouse, so you can peruse content and stop on anything that you're particularly interested in. That's enough of that. Out into the garden. Now other videos have got the tours. You have to be careful where you walk here, because you can get caught by water squirters, only loaded with water of course. Now the important work going on at the moment is the remaining work on what I would call a plastic workshop, but a quick lightning tour around first. Yes, a load of leaves are going to be collected up soon. So we've got reasonable places to dump stuff. This is the 6x4 tool shed that June and I put up. But the trouble with keeping stuff in there is it's tucked away. So that is my laboratory. June thought my robot boat junk would go into here, but it's now going to be just stuff like electronics and lots of other odds and ends. A lot of it to bring back memories. Alexa's sailing saucer. Am I? I've still got this on Zoom, you stupid boy. what that clip's going to be like. Now this is the most recent work. That's a very practical solution. Couple of doors, one from the Bansells in the village and one from Paul's mum and dad in Chobham. Plastic over the top and makes the tools very visible. And what is work in progress at the moment is what will be my workshop, and the bit of plywood in the lounge is going to go there as a work surface. Got to do some work around here, but anything relating to woodwork and metalwork can be done there. And of course the things of sentimental value are the tools from my dad, who worked in a factory practically all his life, and also tools from Tues that chap. So back into the house, but before that let's go into that long photo trail. watch out for those. So it only remains to say, look after yourselves, stay safe, and enjoy what days we have.